Mama, pink crackers.
Now go on.
Look there, look sexy.
Me look sexy in there. Look here, don't look for me. You just not my type. Look for me good. Look from head to toe.
You hotty?
Yes, me hot. And you not hot, you not ready yet. What me I do with you?
Yeah, Matthias say brush me.
Yes.
So Rocky, where the pun?
Where are they?
There dog a screw through, you see?
Me say, this one girl I passed a while ago. My name Stiff Breast. Me come here and say, baby.
Breast me than him there already, you know?
You know woman. He girl pass and me say, baby, sexy, pink crackers. He ma go and kill one man.
Oh, the girl with the big body, me know you talk, man.
Yes!
Yeah, me
She
know
say,
you
I
talk.
go and kill one man. Me a compliment her, say, her body one brush off. And the girl a go and like, she can make body.
I don't care about that day, girl, yeah, man.
Oi.
Too hype, brother.
I'm go see party in there now. Around 30 man. You know?
Hey,
30 man.
what you know?
And 2 man going to make party. Go like it.
So make you never look it.
He could girl come like it nah no sense.
So you get your number, email, WhatsApp.
Even Bluetooth me can't text him punch.
Now man, you get bad luck in
I idiot girl them there. No sense in have, no sense. Me I can't take girl man go and kill all this.
Sit there, leave him alone.
Me just make him go on.
Baby, what on?
Wagwan.
You sexy so.
Wagwan, now where your problem now? Look here, you're not in my class. Me no want. Look, you're not in my class. Please, nobody look for me. Cause me see one little big nose boy don't start look me. And you come back and look me too. Me no want no man.
I'm a little virgin.
Tell him, say when he see me not look for me. Cause me not look nobody.
No man, me have to tell Rotty this. Rotty, me see him girl in the bush out there.
Hello.
Come on, the girl, she that Oh my God! Wow! Yes, sit there,
Listen!
Shit a bush girl! Shit a bush girl!
Shit
a bush girl! Shit a bush!
Shit a bush boy! Oh, shit a bush!
Shit a bush girl!